Begin by verifying the vehicle is in the off position and the key is away from the ignition. Use a plastic trim wedge or other suitable non-marring tool to remove the center console trim bezel of the air conditioning control. Next, remove the bezel with the suspension height regulation and clock. These will pull out towards you and are kept in place by metal retaining tabs on the top and sides. Disconnect the connector that attaches to the clock. It will pull straight out. Remove by holding the connector and not by the wiring. Plug the connector that was just removed from the clock into the bypass module. Then, plug the connector from the bypass module into the clock. Place the bypass module inside the center console in the area that will be behind the clock bezel. Reinstall the bezels by firmly pushing the lower clock and height adjustment assembly first, and then the air conditioning control assembly. Make sure the wires connecting to the dash are not pinched or cut by the center console bezels. Open the glove box and then open the fuse box lid. Using a fuse puller, remove the blue 15 amp fuse in position number 57. You will keep this fuse disconnected from the fuse box. The installation is now finished. Start the engine and verify that suspension inactive message is not showing on the instrument cluster.